tick these two checkboxes. Network connection. Next. No, my printer is already connected. I got my printer here now, so I have just printed the network configurations, and from the network configurations I've already enabled the Wi-Fi direct, and from the report I get from the printer, I know the password. I have connected my Wi-Fi, my printer by my Wi-Fi from this laptop. So I click next over here, and now I will install it. So the steps over here, I will print a test page. What the steps I have used here: 1, set up Wi-Fi from printer. It's Laser MFP 1188 FNW HP. Okay, and now Wi-Fi direct. Print Wi-Fi network configurations. Configuration report from the printer. Next, screenshot. Just installing the printer software. That's it. Thank you.